What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This video we're gonna be installing the headlight tint on the STI here, and this is courtesy of Premium Auto Styling. I got this, I think they were about like 30 bucks, 30 something like that. So what it really is, just out of the headlight, is just this section right here, all this right here, but the LED is gonna stay open. And they do have the side markers, but I'm going back and forth about it. It is already blackish, as you can kind of sort of see, so I'm going back and forth whether or not I want to black that out or leave it with that amber corner there. So we're gonna see, but we're gonna see how this goes. I've already taken the liberty of wiping down the headlights of all the bugs. Unfortunately, the car already has 2,600 miles, so there is some dings on the headlight, so it's not going to be a smooth finish as I hoped for, but it is what it is. But yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, this is the tint. It's folding again, of course. Only that my knee on this side, but so I'm gonna do is peel this back off, spray the back of this with some soapy water, spray the headlight with some soapy water, so that way I can be able to move it around, and then get a squeegee that I also got from Premium Auto Styling, and squeegee all the soapy water out of the headlight, and I think it should look pretty good. So here's what it looks like now, and next shot will be once the tint is on. Well, guys, it is done, as you can see right there, and this side as well. Overall, pretty good. Do have some complaints about the tint. I mean, I'm not bashing Premium Auto Styling whatsoever, because they're a reputable shop. But it just, I don't know, I was having some issue with fitment. I don't know where to line it up. Like I'm a little over on this side, and it seems this doesn't line up perfectly over here, and then over here it just kind of looks like it's like over, I don't know. But overall it's not bad. I mean, obviously I'm not a professional, so it's not gonna be 100% perfect. But overall I'm happy with it. I mean, I'll get some daylight shots of it right now so you can see how it looks with the LEDs running by themselves and then the lights on. And then later on tonight, I'll get a shot and show you guys how it looks. So there you have it, guys. One last thing I wanted to say, people may ask why you do this sort of thing, and some people might think it's a little ricey or whatnot, but the main reason why I did it is I think it looks cool. It's my car. I personalize it the way I want to personalize it. And another good reason is it protects the headlights. It's got 2,500, 2,600 miles, and it's already got some rock chips and all that. So that's gonna protect the headlights. I think it looks cool. I think it looks mean, so I'm happy with it. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's more. I ordered something big. It's coming soon. Well, I just placed the order on Friday, so it should be hopefully here by the end of the week. If not, whenever it comes. But it's something nice. It's something I've been waiting for, and something that brings this car to life. So make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll check you guys on the next one. Also, another thing I guys wanted to update you guys is I made a video. Unfortunately, it got deleted. My phone was acting up and it got deleted. But as you can see, I read lights with tint as well, and also I removed the badging here, so it's just the STI badge. So looks cool, looks mean. I like it. So Again, I'll check you guys in the next one.